Okay. Alright, and welcome back. It is day 4 of trying to get this community garden plot ready to go. As you can see, it's raining pretty hard, but I have limited time, so kind of just have to take advantage of it. Was really hoping to finish today, but did not get that chance. I thought I was able to pull enough leaf mulch to the garden plot, but unfortunately not. Yeah, I definitely had to go back to the free leaf mulch. It works great. Wasn't able to get it for a couple days, but now I'm back to it. And I'm going with the 4-inch method, quote unquote. And this is from the scientist and professor at the University of Washington, Linda Chalker Scott. I don't know if you've heard of her or the Garden Professors blog, but they have so much awesome information about gardening, plants, trees, everything of that nature, and in nature, I should say. But yeah, what she has going on over there at the Garden Professors blog is super cool and super helpful. I've been using their information for years, and so I'm trying to get at least 4 inches down on this really thick vegetation, the common vetch, and the other plants that we have growing here. Just wanted to get a really solid layer down. Didn't get it down in some areas, and it already started popping back through. But yeah, it's going to be the bottom layer for these raised beds. And now I'm just trying to figure out a cheap and free way to get the rest of these beds up, because I am running out of logs that I am physically able to drag from the forest. So, on to day 5.